special and shit.
You gotta
call her up.
Please call somebody.
I'll make her feel special.
Stop talking.
Give me the fat bitch. I'm telling you. Let's give the ugly bitch the fat bitch to me. I'll take her. Fuck it. It don't even matter right now. I'll fuck her. I'm serious.
My stomach hurts.
I'm serious, but y'all got a fat bitch in the group. Yeah, a fat bitch.
What's your cutoff though?
Huh?
What's your cutoff?
Yo,
she's fatting up and getting covered. I'll make her feel skinny.
I got the list.
I'll make her feel skinny.
What's the cutoff?
How many pounds can she be up to?
Remember to be a ton. I don't give a fuck.
She be a ton?
I got a picture.
I want her to go on top too. I like playing around with her.
It's you.
I can't
I got the
receive
girl for
pictures
him.
off. I got a cheap phone.
Call her up.
Tell her bring her fat ass.
You guys missed out.
She can get on top. I like when they get on top. The fat bitch go on top.
Did we tell you?
Look at why I'm breath sweating and shit.
Turn the camera. You're missing it.
I don't know why it's on me.
Give me your number. I'm sending you your girl. We got kicked out of McGlynn's. Did we tell you
What?
that?
What the fuck?
Give it to me.
Is that really on? Turn that motherfucker off. I like fat bitch, yo. Call her fat bitch.
Give me your fucking number. I'll send you a fat bitch to your phone right
I don't know
now.
if I can receive the picture.
Hey. Huh?
I don't know if I can receive
Just show him the picture.
We'll show you the picture.
Send me a picture of the fat bitch.
Alright. Oh, are you saying the Mexican?
I said a fat bitch. I ain't seen a Mexican. I fuck a Mexican bitch too. I don't discriminate against races. It's whatever. Pussy's pussy.
There you go. It's all yours.
No fuck shit up. She got wet.
No, he didn't.
She got wet pussy and toss back to you. It like it makes that sound.
She said holler. She said holler.
Yeah, it's a sound. You know what I'm talking about? That sound.
Oh my god, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
I've so met you. Yeah, give me a She said to holler. Holler, Purdue. Oh no, fucking the gear shifted in
These
the
are
car.
just fucking what you call it? Like fucking wallpapers. They're not stupid.
No, that's a picture. He said
that's a wallpaper.
That's a picture.
Ergo love fat
No,
bitches.
that's a
This feels like an episode.
Like I got side smoke cigarettes. Well, listen.
Smoke some cigarettes?
I'm gonna smoke some. But I'm gonna tell you some shit like that. It's got the white pussy. No, fat bitches talk back to you. When you fucking them, they talk back to you. You know what I mean? I'm always all wet. Motherfucker gets that little pussy fart. What do you think about that? Yeah. I got a lot of experience. It's a good resume. Yeah. You know what it do, man. That's why you laughing.
I'm so paid to just listen to you. You're coming out with us every night.
Huh? I'm coming out every night. Coming out. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about coming out.
It's almost your time on the music, but your time's coming soon.
What, for the music?
Yeah.